When it comes to truck accessories, there are few that make as big of an impact as front bumpers, both literally and figuratively. But with all the options on the market today, it can be tough to figure out exactly what direction to go. There are lots of companies on the market that make all sorts of bumpers for your truck, from the mild and slim to the wild and massive. I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets, and today we're going to be diving into one of the biggest names in the aftermarket bumper world, ADD bumpers. Before we get into that though, if you're looking for bumpers for your truck, or accessories, or even wheels and tires for that matter, check us out at customoffsets.com. Let's get into it. ADD, or Addictive Desert Designs, was founded in 2007 near Phoenix, Arizona. Their design stemmed from a love of aftermarket truck parts and for ripping said aftermarket trucks through the desert, which is convenient because, you know, they're located in a giant desert. They also pride themselves on being one of the first companies to market with products for the next generation of trucks, which they've proven multiple times over and over again with new releases. When it comes to quality of craftsmanship, ADD simply cannot be beat. Most of their products start with sheets of 3/16" plate steel and are laser CNC cut right at the factory. Important note here, all of ADD's steel is sourced right here in the good old USA, making them one of the most American-made products on the market. After the raw materials are cut into parts, they head to a fabrication shop where each bumper is hand welded by a single fabricator start to finish. This ensures that the weld quality is uniform across the entire bumper and helps ensure only the highest quality of craftsmanship. Once they're all put together, all welds are ground smooth for a flat finish. From there, each bumper is meticulously checked by a quality control agent to ensure that the product meets quality standards. As far as finish goes, ADD uses a unique two-stage powder coat process that ensures the finish is durable in the event you want to send your truck off-road. When it comes to product offerings, ADD pretty much covers it all. Want a slim, smooth, minimalistic tube-style bumper with a big old skid plate underneath it? They have it. Want a massive front bumper for your dually that has mounting options for a pair of 40-inch light bars? Yes, 2. A winch, and even side lights to boot? They have that as well. But bumpers aren't their only products. They also offer rock sliders, chase racks, spare tire carriers, roof racks, and even a neat little capture fairlead so you can have form and function for your winch line. One really interesting thing I found is that not only do they offer bolt-on accessories like winches and bumpers, these guys also offer what they call the ADD Phoenix Conversion Kit, which basically takes your otherwise stock 2015 and up F-150 and turns it into a road legal pre-runner. This kit adds 7 total inches of width across the truck and a massive 12 inches of suspension travel up front. I'm so sweaty. Seriously, these guys do it all. With all of that being said though, the question still remains, would we recommend ADD bumpers? And the answer is a resounding yes. Personally, we've put ADD bumpers on a number of our builds, most notably the Tacoma that Branded Title Company rebuilt, and also our very own in-house Archon show truck build, the K350, which you can see over there. Both times we've had great success with ADD's products and have loved them. Their weld quality is awesome, the fitment on the bumpers has been fantastic. We've enjoyed working with them so much, in fact, that rumor has it we'll be installing a set of their bumpers on an upcoming 2020 Chevy 1500 build we're doing. Wink, wink. What do you think of ADD? Let us know down in the comments section below, and don't forget, if you want to check out all of ADD's product offerings, you can do so at customoffsets.com. Peace.